Hi guys, this is my night routine. So I just show you my lymphatic massage. So do this one and opening the lymphatic force for opening the channels of the energy because they have uh, small intestine meridian points here, and they have here also to matanggal yung mga fluffy face. Actually, natanggal siya talaga. Nahihirapan ako mag-English kaya magtatagalog na ako. So, ginagawa ko to para sa sarili ko. Also, I want to know every girls in the, even my colleagues or my clients. This is the, kasi, I don't know. I have, iba kasi yung mga doctors na mga mata nila kapag nagbabasa sila ng body. But, I think so, I can. Kasi, I can read also what the skin types or what the needs of the body. So, dahil nag-aral ako ng acupuncture, I know what is the insulin and the organ connected that there, the points in the meridian and channels. So, I do this one. So, ako, I want to help someone na look young. So, I do this one for to help someone na they don't know, na hindi nila alam kung paano gagawin to delaying aging. Actually, this is the lifestyle, the routine, and actually, ang daming dapat gawin to involve about the mitochondria, our cells. They want magnesium and sodium and potassium and oxygen. And you need to feed this, May mga point kasi yan. This is the stomach, point 1, and the urinary, point 1, and the large intestine, point 1, and the other organ connecting in our body. So, ang daming i-rejuvenate for, alam mo yung natural collagen, para di ka na gagastos, di ka na gumastos ng malaki, because kapag nagpa-botox ka, your nerve are dying. And after 6 months, nagre-repair naman kasi talaga yung cells natin. So, you need lang naman to what you put in your skin, what you eat. That's it. I don't know, kasi gumagastos tayo ng malaki. Gusto kong malaman sa inyo na you need to connect our mitochondria, our power cells. So, para yung healing natin direct of the organ. And the organ will be happy. So, we'll be happy. Okay? So, that's it for now. I hope you enjoy my routine. And you need to pull down the lymphatic nodes to rejuvenate the skin. And yeah, that's it. And they have 3 points here to anti-aging and 3 points here, like here. That is the anti-aging points for the organ. So, good night.